Today we're going to see this rational function. The function is y equals to x minus 3 over x squared minus x minus 6.
Well, the first step you have to do is look if you can factorize it. For example, down we can factorize for x plus 3 and no, minus 3 and x plus 2, and it will be like this. The next step you have to do is look if you can cancel the factors. For example, here you can cancel x minus 3 and x minus 3, and you will have x plus 2 and 1.
The next step we are going to make is to find the asymptote. For the vertical asymptote, we have to find the value of x in the denominator. So in here, x equals negative 2, so there's going to be an asymptote in x equals negative 2. For the horizontal asymptote, we have to find we have to take in consideration the grade of the denominator and the numerators. So in here, we have that the denominator, the grade of the denominator is bigger than the one from the numerator, so the asymptote is equals to 0.
Okay, now we need to find the x and y intercept from the simplified form. So to find the x-intercept, we need to equalize y equals 0. So like this, 0 equals 1 over x plus 2. Then you move this part to there. So 0 equals 1. And because you remove the x completely, there's no y-intercept, the x-intercept. And to find the x-intercept, we need to equalize x equals 0. So 1 divided by 0 plus 2. So 1 over 2. Okay, now we need to find the whole. So to find the whole, we need to look at what we eliminated. So in this case, it's x minus 3. So to find the whole, it's x minus 3 equals 0. We move the 3 to the other side. So x equals 3, positive. And then we need to substitute this 3 into a simplified form. So 1 equals 3 plus 2 equals 1 over 5.
Okay, now we have to graph the function, the rational function, and in order to graph, we have to look first to the asymptotes. So in this case, the vertical asymptote is in x equals negative 2, so negative 1, negative 2 in here. We will make these lines to mark them as the asymptotes. And in this case, for the horizontal asymptote, I am not going to write it, but it's in y equals 0, so it's in here. Now we have to look for the x and y intercept. There's no x-intercept, so that's okay, and the y-intercept is in 0,1/2, so it's over here. And now we're looking for the whole. The whole is in 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1/5 is somewhere over here. But we have to have it as an unfilled circle because that's a whole. So in order to graph, we just have to look for the shape, for the shape from the rational function. So it's something like this, and from the other part is something like this here. And that's how you graph the function, the rational function.
And the final thing we have to do, look for the domain and range. For example, domain and range. And remember that this is like a scan from left to right, which is the domain. It will be like x is different than negative 2 and 3. And from the range, it will be y is not equal to 0